Do you want a fast and easy to install PoE switch that has hassle-free management for your Hikvision security system? Look no further. Hikvision has our smart managed network switches ready and available for use. You can find them at our stores online on Facebook and on Lazada. Today, we have their 16-port PoE gigabit managed switch. Here's the model number if you're interested on what the model is. You can find more models on the Hikvision page and on our stores. On the front of the box, we do get a bit of information. We have a visualized topology management, network health monitor, real-time alarm push, a 300-meter long-range transmission, and a 6 kilovolt surge protection. On the back, we also have an ideal topology on what this switch is capable of. What's even more crazy is that this can be managed by a mobile device, meaning you don't have to manage it on-site whenever something goes wrong. Now let's open it up and get the goods. We are greeted with extra mounting supports, a power cord, the unit itself, and a manual. Now let's talk about the build quality. It's made out of an all-metal casing with 16 gigabit PoE RJ45 ports, 1 gigabit RJ45 port, and 1 gigabit fiber optical port. If you're somewhat limited to the number of ports this smart switch has, Hikvision also has other numbers of ports, ranging from 4 to 48 ports. Now let's get into some sample scenarios using the switch. Right now, we're gonna use this switch on our Hikvision display rack. We have Hik Partner Pro as our app here, and as you can see, the switch can be monitored through your phone. This makes maintenance easy and hassle-free. It supports port isolation, which can help in making a more secure network. Not only that, it has a 6 kilovolt surge protection, which can help prevent connected devices to malfunction whenever there's a power outage. It also has PoE Watchdog, which can detect and auto-restart non-functioning devices like cameras. We have different installation scenarios applied to our clients. For example, here's a client who we've installed an IP camera system with the Hikvision Smart Switch. They benefit from having remote troubleshooting, unified cloud management, and again the surge protection, which should help become beneficial for long use. With Hikvision's smart managed switches, it delivers on its promises: easy management, reliable performance, and PoE convenience. Whether you're securing a small office or a large surveillance network, Hikvision is a solid choice. Again, you can buy the Switch and other products at our Facebook and Lazada stores today. And if you like this video, please leave a like and comment and follow us at Happy Work Enterprise.